We have a fun twist on container gardenings for you. If you don't like the traditional flowers, Jeff's going to show us how to work with succulents. Beautiful, vibrant colors, very on trend.
Exactly, some
Yes.
really great textures, great foliage colors. It's also going to transition into the fall.
Perfect.
I mean, when we put this together, you don't even necessarily have to do all succulents. You can do some really fun stuff like these ornamental peppers that we have here. Just add that into your succulent mix.
All right, what do we need to start?
All right, so get your soil. You want to make sure that you're going to do some type of cactus mix or succulent mix, or any light potting soil will work too. Then you get to go to the garden center and you get to pick out all the different array of all the different succulents that we have.
That's the fun part because of all the different textures and colors.
And what's great in the fall is they're going to flower. Most of your succulents will flower too.
And you're mixing in the ornamental peppers too. Look at these.
I
These
love
are
the
great.
ornamental peppers.
Okay.
So we have our container here. It's a shallow bowl here. A lot of your succulents don't need a lot of roots, or they don't have a lot of roots, so you don't need anything really deep. We filled it up with soil, and then we're just gonna kind of build on it. So we got our echeverias, our center here, and then we're just gonna take all these really cool succulents, and we're just gonna kind of mix it in. That one is a type of mother-in-law's tongue.
Okay.
It's really cool. We're gonna add some of the ornamental peppers in here. Yeah, there you go.
Right there.
And again, just make it what you want, make it fun. And then just keep adding. And then also, I always like to end them with doing the moss. This is the Spanish moss, or you can use regular moss.
Really complete set.
And you're just gonna kind of tuck it, down in there too.
And you have some other ideas, decorative bowls, if people want to kind of mix it up and have a different look.
Yeah, so this bowl, or this succulent here, the sedum, it's just in a really simple pot, put it out on the patio. I have one like this in a really fun urn.
Look at this
and
one.
then just really neat gift ideas that you can give as maybe for a teacher gift too.
All great. Go to wallage.net for details.